Hello, my lovely and amazing bacha log. Very warm welcome to Vedantu again. I hope you all are super duper happy to see Anubha ma'am again in front of you. Yes, bacha log, this is Anubha Gaur, your chemistry master teacher at Vedantu. And today we are going to learn something new about chemistry, that how chemistry can help you all making a wise career choice. Okay, so ma'am is here to counsel you guys in terms of how you can do better in your life, taking chemistry as one of the core subject. Okay, so I will tell you in today's class how you can clear your confusion, and by taking chemistry you all can become a toxicologist. And now something new we are going to learn today, something fascinating, something interesting. But trust me, it's not only about fascination, it is definitely a very good and interesting career choice. So just be with me. I will tell you each and everything about how to become a toxicologist. Okay? So stay with me till the end. I am telling you how you can reach to that point starting from here. That is, if you're done with 10th class, what you can do with your life, taking chemistry. So let's move ahead. That first of all, what is a toxicologist? In front of you, you can see right now. Toxicologist is what? Toxicologist is a person who basically deals with toxic substances. Okay, toxic substances like we are humans, animals, plants, means living beings, and our environment somehow is full of toxic substances, right? But how we get to know that these substances are toxic to nature and to us also? Because somehow in the world there are toxicologists. They told us there are so many things that is harming environment, our body, plants, and as well as animals. Okay, so right now they tell that this amount would be sufficient in a person, in a plant, or in any substance. If that would increase, that can create trouble, that can act as a toxic. So basically, a toxicologist deals with toxic substances, tells us that what substance is toxic if would be taken in more amount, and that much amount is sufficient, otherwise it can create problem to us. So now, as you know about toxicologist, don't you think that it is something contributing to our world, contributing in that sense that we are doing something useful with taking the subject? So you will be like, ma'am, how chemistry can help us? So, but chalo, first of all, that which stream should I opt for 11th to become a toxicologist? Definitely science. Without science, things would be difficult. Okay, science. Now, ma'am, science may what kind of a subjects? So, physics, chemistry, and biology. All the three subjects of science is super important, and you have to opt for all three. Now you'll be like, ma'am, how we will prepare? We don't know anything. So if you still adamant to take maths, we have a channel called as VMath. Even for your boards and all, you can prepare with us on this channel. Neha ma'am teaches on this channel. Amazing maths teacher we have. Apart from that, Vedantu JE and we Neat Made Easy channel we also have. So these channels also contribute to the best possible way so that you can learn everything about physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. So try to follow all the possible channels so that you can prepare well for your boards, as well as you can opt for a correct career path for you and can do all the possible things which is required for the same. Right? I hope you will definitely subscribe to those channels and be a part and a happy member of all of these channels. Right now, ma'am, after 12th is complete, what should I study? I don't know. What should I prefer? So, bacha log, definitely you can choose BSc, that is Bachelor's in Science, and the subject is Biological Science. Biological Science, or you can say Life Science, you can choose. Biology, particularly, you can choose. And apart from that, then you can do masters from toxicology. There are so many institutes in India, universities, that is giving a full-fledged course of MSc toxicology. Apart from that, as ma'am did, I did chemistry honors from DU. So you can also choose a good university and can take chemistry as one of the major subject and can completed your bachelor's. But bachelor's won't be sufficient enough. You have to take masters preferably MSc in toxicology. Masters karo science mein, definitely you will be like having, or you are going to get so much of knowledge for the same. Okay, so knowledge भी बढ़ाना है and वहाँ ऊपर भी पहुँचना है, कुछ interesting भी करना है, तो I'll help you all out. And ma'am, biology, as you told, is one of the main subject. How can we do well in biology? So I know you, most of you have heard about our Vani ma'am. Vani ma'am is taking daily classes for all the 10th class students who are going to 11th class as a bridge course. So do follow ma'am. That ma'am will tell you in detail how come choosing biology can help you a lot and can shape your career. Okay, Vedantu Biotonic is one of the channel, V Biotonic, that ma'am runs. Okay, do follow it. And when you are like, okay ma'am, ठीक है, now I'm getting an idea that this and this we have to do, but what are the entrance examinations required to go for masters in toxicology or some other exams for, after 12th we can choose. So you can choose, this exam is like, I think most of you know it, AIPMT. Earlier we used to call it AIPMT, now we call it NEET, that is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. So that means taking NEET can also help you if you are like, ma'am, no, we are not bachelor's wale person. We really want to go for that doctor wala thing. We really want to do MBBS and all. So MBBS ke baad bhi you can become a toxicologist. You can also prefer to do, or you can also choose to do MBBS by NEET, and after that also you can do your specialization in toxicology. Now, are these entrance exams for toxicologies in India? Like, there are some exams? So yes, definitely there are so many exams, entrance examinations. First is combined biotechnology entrance examination. That is our very famous university JNU that conducts this exam. Combined biotechnology entrance examination, one of the very good course biotechnology ke liye that can help you to become a toxicologist. Apart from that, DU, I already told you, Delhi University, one of the very good university of India, is providing medical entrance test, that is DU MET. Again, as I told you, very much important. You can also choose MBBS. You can also go for that, and after that, you can select being a toxicologist. Apart from that, if you have heard about this institute, NIMHAMS, National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience. So that also conducts some entrance examination. There's a proper full-fledged department that gives you some entrance test. So one of the very famous department that they had is psychopharmacology and neurotoxicology. So those two departments will also tell you about toxicology, being a psychologist. Psychologist में भी toxicology पढ़ी जाती है. Wondered, है ना? There is some wonderful thoughts that is involving here. Mental thoughts, that sometimes can be too depressing for us. So being a psychologist, you can also detect that these amount of stress is fine for a person. You can collect all the data, what is responsible for degrading mental health of a person and all. So you can do this job also, a bit difficult but very interesting to know about all these things. Don't you think so? Do let me know in the comment box, ma'am. This is something interesting that is going on. And one more, that is NIPER. Again, very good institute. Entrance examination, एक बार clear कर लिया, you'll be like set in your life. That is NIPER, is National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research joint entrance examination, that is JEE. So NIPER JEE also one of the exam. अगर clear कर लिया, you can do your masters in pharmacology, which is also required, which can also help you out to become a toxicologist. So these are some of the exams, JNU, DU, and NIPER. So many institutes of NIPER are there throughout the India that can help you out to become a toxicologist, and it is going to be a super interesting journey, bacha log. So as Vedantu, we are committed to help you all, and obviously your parents, in such a sense that you can all study at the comfort of your home, just by sitting on your bed and your table and chair, and can read about all the things, can learn all the things which is required to enhance your growth. So do one thing, just go through this link and everything will be clear, that if you want to go for any particular course, you want to enroll for all the master classes, so come join us. You won't regret it. It is going to be a wonderful journey for all of you. Right? Okay. So what are the responsibilities of toxicologist? Like, अच्छा मैम ठीक है बन गए, but करना क्या होगा? What we have to do? So different job profiles would be there inside it also. So क्या क्या है उसमें? Isolate and identify toxic substances and their harmful effect. Means on human, animals, plants, and our ecosystem. उसमें what are the things that is creating harmful effects? What are the toxic substances that is there in our body, in plants, and in nature, our ecosystem, that is harming it? So we can detect all of these substances. We can do certain experiments in laboratories to carry out different data, that these are the things that harms living beings and our ecosystem. And all the data you have to evaluate. Suppose if I talk about CO2 increase level also, it was, if I combine and see it before 10 years and now, there's a huge difference. And obviously they have collected the data and told us that this is harming the environment, right? So analyzing all the data and telling everyone that how you can safely handle all those things, what are the requirements for the same regarding this. So I hope you are feeling it कि हाँ कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है, हम भी कर सकते हैं, we all can do it. Again I told you, please let me know that yes ma'am, we can do it, and see, we will become like a superstar is not something which is in a film, but in our life also, if we are doing and achieving something we have decided, that is also equivalent to being a superstar of your life and making yourself and your parents feel proud. Okay. So do it, do let me know all the risk assessment, that if you handle suppose polonium being an element, these are the risk assigned for it. The more amount of this can create even death and toxic for your body. So all the harmful effect they will tell us about drug overdose also, what treatment they should prefer, how are the risk involved for the same, and all of these. So it is going to be an interesting journey being a toxicologist, where you can work being a toxicologist, environment agency also to detect all the harmful substances, water industry, pharmaceutical industry, and can tell all the drugs making company that these are the things that are potential and hold good for a human body. These can create toxicity in a human body. So these are the job profile. Apart from that, in hospitals also, laboratories, forensic laboratories, definitely you can focus on all the details of forensic science and can also help you being a toxicologist. उसके अलावा so many personal जो भी consultancy firm होती है, you can work for so many pharmaceutical personal consultant. Okay. Now, what are the key skills required for being a toxicologist? Obviously, not an easy job, but I have fully trust on all of you that if you have decided, you can definitely do it. Like attention to detail, every detail you will pay so much attention for the same, and excellent problem solving skill, that if I come up with this problem, I can deal with it without getting so much stressed. Okay, being mentally available at that place, and multitask and work on tight deadlines. ये तो सबके लिए होता है ना, in any industry that works, that you have to be a multitasker, you have to manage everything, and handling experimental data, as I already told you. Good communication skills are also required, and how you're representing all the data and reading it beautifully, that helps the environment ecosystem and all the companies you are in. Okay, so these are the skills which is required. Now the main part you will be waiting for it, that ma'am, after all the mehnat we did, what are the salary we can expect for the same? So bachcha log, it's not, I will say that a particular fixed data, it can definitely vary, but in general you can earn up to 10 lakh per annum. And if I talk about being a you can say experienced toxicologist, that can increase also. In abroad, it varies from $25,000 to $37,000. And for an experienced toxicologist, $90,000 can also be there. So it's not at all a bad deal for all of you. I know in public sector, in government sector, that can be less. Definitely that can be less. But government has their all the possible perks, like giving you all the insurance, pension, health cover, shares in that same company sector. So it is going to be totally beneficial for all of you. And being in government organization, you already know all one's perk, and a life in that way, that should be secured enough as well. So you can go for the same, obviously. Future क्या होगा मैम? We are at a particular place being a toxicologist. What can we see in our future? What can we see that where we will be after 15 years or 10 years? So बच्चा लोग, with experience you can become a senior toxicologist and can definitely go for managerial post also. That yes, I have handled for 10-15 years, now I can handle all the works of manager, being a manager, that how things should be going on. Okay, so this you can definitely do. You can go for all the research posts also. Like you can research further in immunotoxicology. Every person has different immune system, right? You can study about that in detail, how it is there. Neurotoxicology related to our brain, and what should I say, psychology and safety of biotechnology products, that how to handle it, what are the risks involved for the same. You can do the research for certain topics, and as I told you, with time you can move to a consultancy firm and can be a senior, that I can handle and can tell you what should you do in certain things, what you can, and how you can deal with the certain things. So I hope समझ आया आपको, मजा आया, that what exactly is a toxicologist, what are the exams required for become a toxicologist, what are the job profile you are going to get, what are the skills required for the same, what will be your future. I hope everything is clear, and you can watch the replay and can note it down also, exams and all, and search about all the exams. It is going to be a wonderful journey for all of you, whatever you will choose. So trust us, be a part of Vedantu, subscribe to all the channel we have, because we all are trying our level best to give you education for free, and to ensure that you will definitely grow in your life. So I hope you like this session. I'll come up with more and more career options choosing chemistry, which will help you out again and again. You can choose among those. And I know other teachers are also doing the same. So do follow all the videos right now. Thank you so much for being here. I really want you to like this video, share it with your friends so that they can also know about it. Because if I remember my time being in 2008, 2010, sorry, I was so confused what to do, what not to do. And now, at least we are ensuring that this won't happen with you. Okay. So do share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and you can reach out to me on my email ID right now on the screen. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Do follow all the videos.